Cold open. Have you ever wondered how a unique culture thrives in the northernmost province of the Philippines? Welcome to the serene and vibrant world of Batanes, a place that will surely captivate you with its rich heritage and captivating landscapes. Batanes, a province nestled in the northernmost part of the Philippines, is indeed a sight to behold. But what's more intriguing is the unique culture and economy that has evolved over the centuries in this remote paradise. One local, a jovial woman named Elena, paints a vivid picture of the Ivatan culture, the indigenous people of Batanes. She shares, "We Ivatans value our culture deeply. We are a resilient community who have learned to adapt to the harsh weather conditions of Batanes. Our stone houses, known as vahai, are a testament to that. They are specifically designed to withstand the typhoons that often visit our province. Batanes, with its population of less than 20,000, is not just a hub of rich culture, but also a place of diverse economic activities. The province thrives primarily on fishing and farming, with garlic and cattle as major products. A local fisherman, Mang Juan, shares his story. "Fishing is our lifeline. The vast and rich marine life in the waters surrounding Batanes makes it an ideal place for fishing. But it's not just about earning a livelihood. It's about preserving our traditions and passing them on to our younger generations." But what's even more fascinating about Batanes is the Ivatan dialect. It's a unique blend of Filipino, Spanish, and indigenous languages. Imagine conversing in a dialect that's a beautiful fusion of different cultures. A local teacher, Miss Lords, shares her thoughts. "Teaching the Ivatan dialect to the younger generation is not just a job, but a responsibility. We want to ensure the survival of our unique language." Batanes, with its unique culture, thriving economy, and distinct dialect, is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people. This province is not just a travel destination, but a living museum, a place that showcases the rich Filipino heritage. So, take a moment. Immerse yourself in the stories of Batanes, and maybe, just maybe, you will find yourself planning a visit to this beautiful province. After all, there's nothing like experiencing the culture firsthand, right? Batanes is waiting for you. It's a journey you won't forget. But Batanes is not just about culture and economy. It's also a paradise for travelers and food lovers. Imagine yourself standing on the breathtaking cliffs of Cagayan, with the wind brushing against your face, or strolling along the serene beaches of Sabtang, with the gentle waves lapping at your feet. Batanes offers these and so much more. And let's not forget the food. The local cuisine is a must-try, with dishes like uvod balls, a unique Ivatan delicacy made from banana heart and mincefish, and coconut crab, a savory treat that truly captures the essence of Ivatan cooking. So, when you visit Batanes, don't forget to explore its scenic spots and indulge in its local cuisine. After all, a trip to Batanes is not just a journey but a sensory experience.